Namaskar. 29 years ago, the new law on Multimodal Transport of Goods Act was enacted. Multimodalism is the very essence of logistics, where several modes of transportation are used to transport goods in the fastest and most economical method, and yet falls under one single bill of lading, thus bringing about ease of transaction for all stakeholders. Multimodalism ensures less time and effort, cost reduction, handling and delivery time efficiency, increased transport security, one contract document, and an easier freight tariff. Hence, AMTOI breeds multimodalism 24/7, 365 days a year for you. Have a great week ahead.
Namaskar. The UN Convention of International Multimodal Transportation of Goods of 1980 laid the foundation of organized multimodal transport. Indian government gave impetus by Presidential Ordinance of 1992, which was followed by enactment of law in 1993. Since then, multimodal transport has come a long way in offering the customer a choice of door-to-door transportation of goods under a single contract at a single price and covered by single transport document. However, this is nothing but aggregation of segmented transport bundled together and presented as multimodal transport. For true benefits of multimodal transport to accrue to the customer, India needs seamless multimodal logistics infrastructure. Hence, the national logistics policy should emphasize on seamless multimodal logistics infrastructure, or at least multimodal compatible infrastructure. We have also suggested celebration of Multimodal Transport Day to create awareness of importance of multimodal transport to all stakeholders. Dhanyavad.
In the coming future, multimodal logistics will play a vital role in moving goods seamlessly and cost effectively. However, when compared to European countries, India still lags behind when it comes to the policies and infrastructure. That is why adequate logistics infrastructure policy level changes can go a long way in providing competitive advantage to multimodal logistics in India. With enough changes, it will help our country's multimodal logistics to be a comparable rate with the Western world in the future. It will also help avoiding unnecessary movement, minimizing paperwork and damage of goods while maintaining timely deliveries and quality of service. In conclusion, multimodal transport is the way of the future in logistics in India.
Greetings to all patrons of AMTOI members, colleagues in AMTOI and our EXIM community on the occasion of Multimodal Day, which is being celebrated on 16th October. For the Indian logistics industry, enactment of MMTG Act back in 1993 was a game changer, as it has enabled Indian logistics companies to issue their very own transport document recognized by the government as against house bills of lading of their foreign counterparts. This has helped Indian companies achieve global recognition and a global footprint. Indian MTOs have come a long way from there, but yet we have a long road ahead to travel. I hope in this decade we shall see at least 10 plus Indian companies which will become formidable MNCs competing with established foreign companies in the global arena. My heartfelt best wishes to all MTOs to take our industry to greater heights and also contribute so that India achieves our Prime Minister's vision of $400 billion USD exports this year. Jai Hind, Namaste.